Hi friends, and welcome back to my channel. Hello if you're new here, my name is Bells, and today we're doing makeup therapy. We're doing a bit of a pick-me-up. I love doing my makeup when I'm feeling down, when I want to paint my face, when I want to relax and just chill and vibe with myself. So if you're into these type of videos, please keep on watching. So for this video, I wanted to make sure it's real detailed, real personal, real up close, so you guys can see what I use and how I use it, and these techniques I use regardless of what products I'm using, even though I do love everything that I use in this video. And it will be listed down below, including my brushes, so don't worry about anything like that. So soon enough in the video, you'll be seeing me try on the new NARS Soft Matte Foundation. I absolutely love it. Think of the Longwear Radiant Foundation, just more matte and perfect for the girls that really like myself. So yeah, just a quick review. However, the shades have never really been a perfect match for me. I've always had to make them work, which I don't really have a problem with if the product is really good. So just to note that down. But yeah, I was having quite an overwhelming week. There was a lot going on, and for me, doing my makeup is similar to how having a real long shower is. For me, like, people have fake arguments. I know I do. People have fake arguments, you know, they're real deep, real theoretical, come out with huge plans, ideas in the shower. That is the same thing for me in makeup. I have my music playing, sometimes a glass of wine, whatever I'm feeling, whatever I'm in the mood for. And especially this day, I made sure that my plans were free. So there was no rushing, no making sure I look good because of this, that, and the other. It was just relax, do what you want to do. And if you get it wrong, that's cool. If you get it right, perfect. Because you know, if you like these products, you can use them for another day when you've got something serious going on. So especially now that we're in lockdown, I like to play around with my hobbies, find new hobbies, all of those things. So not even gonna lie to you, the shade match was still a little too bright and light for me. I needed to bring back some color, some depth. Like I said, NARS are amazing with their foundations, but when you haven't got the right shade, ooh, they said you're gonna have to make it work. When we get to the end, you'll see the end product and why I just had to make it work, because the foundation is so good. So like I said, I was feeling overwhelmed, and it was really minuscule things, but you know, when they pile up, it just creates a bigger issue than it already is. So just little things like going into lockdown, trying to find content that you guys like, trying to please like brands. I think I always kind of have a battle with like brands and myself, because I feel like sometimes brands want it their way and I want it my way. Like, I wouldn't want to put something out because it's just not something I'm 100% happy with, but you want to please them. And then like you've got lockdown, so it's like trying to find content that works for myself, the brand, you guys, and as well as squeezing in, of course, non-sponsored stuff, little challenges, just like I did the juicing cleanse last week, just to keep creative and going. Anywho, I am using Too Faced Concealer. Absolutely love the cookie for a bright under eye. You guys don't need to do it. I'm going to show you guys one which is butterscotch. I like to use that for highlighting areas I just don't want to be too bright, you know? And then this beauty sponge, which is a black-owned brand, Remsco Creations beauty sponge. Love it. Very bouncy, very squishy, and very blendable for the makeup. So I'd highly recommend that. And then we're gonna go and bake. But yeah, I'd also say anyone trying to maybe get into makeup, even content creation, what I'm doing right now, honestly, take your time, really try and enjoy what you're doing, because if you enjoy it, you'll be in here for the long haul. If you're trying to get, you know, things here and there from it, maybe money and all of that, that might slow you down and make you want to give up quicker, because it's not easy, I promise you. But yeah, just make sure whatever you're doing, take your time, perfect it, work on it. Like I'm doing here. Like, I'm not the best makeup artist. I know how to do my own makeup. I'm not that great at doing other people's makeup. But, you know, I've taken time to learn my face and what works for me, and being bold enough to try things. I think I get a lot of questions on how do you do this or that. Honestly, just sat here in front of the mirror and being like, you know what, today I'm gonna do this. I saw someone do this and it looked cool, so I'm gonna do it. So it's just being able to be confident in yourself. I think that is really the key with everything. If you find the confidence, it will be easier for you to face challenges. You need to believe in yourself, because no one else is gonna believe in you the way you believe in you. That's one thing I've learned this year. You need to believe yourself more than anyone else in the room or in your life, okay? If you believe in yourself, it will be believable for others to believe in you, you know? If you don't believe in yourself, I mean, you might get sympathy, but who wants sympathy? You want to have respect over sympathy at any day and chance. For me, that's me personally. Sympathy does not win for me, because the sympathy can easily die out, but respect will be there for a long time. I don't know what I'm doing. I feel like I'm once again, like I said, I'm watching myself do makeup and I'm just coming up with these ideas and theories and, you know, revelations. Okay, so going back to the makeup before I get ahead of myself and I talk your ears off on things that might not be related to what you're watching. One thing and tip I would give to anyone with makeup struggles or practicing, there is no such thing as too blended. Okay, you can blend it till it disappears, but if you add more and blend that, it'll still be there and it will look seamless. So definitely take extra steps to make sure your face is blended. Ooh, because if it's blended and melt, you're gonna look good all day. You're gonna get compliments. You're gonna feel good, you know? But yeah, if you're just watching this to just enjoy, have a good time, I'm hoping you're in a good place. And if you're not in a good place, just hang in there, keep going. I know what it feels like. I know how it feels like to be in a hole and just feel like you're not going to get out or there's no other option. But I promise you, hang in there and work on yourself. I think I always hear like, oh, hang in there because of like people that care for you. No. Okay, make sure you do things for yourself. You do things because you want to do it, okay? Don't think too much about others. Like I said, confidence, having respect, all those things count in. I think, you know, I'm really going somewhere, aren't I? Gosh, wow. Who would have thought? Not me. Okay, we're going to my favorite part, which is me doing my brows. So I'm starting off with eyebrow gel. This video, I've been doing things in my own way. Like I said, I was just chilling and vibing. So when I was ready to do something, I was gonna do it. So I was ready to do my brows. Going in with the brow gel on both eyebrows, taking my time. And then going in with a nice micro pencil. Like I said, I love every product I use in this video. There's nothing I wouldn't recommend. So just drawing my brows, trying to get the shape that I desire. and then going in with a brow pen that has changed my life. So you can see it's giving me the brow strokes. I would 100% recommend this for someone with sparse eyebrows, short eyebrows like myself, very fair, thin eyebrows. If you want to give yourself the feathered brow effect, 100% recommend a brow pen just to create those brow-like strokes. Oh, it's the brow strokes for me. Like, you know when you just find a technique that has just excelled your makeup? I think it's brows for me. First of all, it was doing them after foundation for a softer brow, which I'd also recommend doing. Brows before foundation give your brows a harsher look. However, after creates a soft, more feathery effect if that's what you're after. So, this year my brows have just changed. I'm so happy about it. I'm so happy. I cannot believe I was made to think growing up that blush is just not for black people and black women specifically. It just wasn't for us. It wasn't going to show up. It was going to look weird. I'm so happy that we are wearing blushes. But, you know, thinking about it, did they even really have a shade that would work for me growing up? So that's also another question. Anyway, I'm just happy that we have things that work for us. I mean, there's still more room for especially deeper shades, but, you know, I can appreciate it. I just would like it to be deeper shades in the drugstore department because not everyone wants high-end. That's why I feel like I'm not forcing or telling you guys these products that you need. I'm just showing you guys the technique, you know, what type of products to go after rather than buy this or that, you know. I love to go over with a powder over my face just to make sure the under eye powder is seamless. It blends right in with my bronzer as well as my blush and everything. It just looks seamless. And then for the lips, I like to use a contour stick. So if you have a contour stick, 9 times out of 10 that would be a perfect lip liner for you. And then going over with a gloss. And also, don't be too shy to go back and make sure that the under eye is seamless. Or if you're not 100% happy with your lip shade, go and change it, you know? Makeup is a creation, it's art. Your art, baby. You know, if you want to add to the painting, add to the canvas, you do that. You go ahead and do that. And then you spray yourself after just to make sure the melt is there. Just like, you know, you leave it there to dry and work its magic. Okay, we are magic. Right, I'm going to stop talking before I get real corny. Anywho, thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Everything will be listed down below. Let me know what you guys think. I will catch you guys in the next video. Thank you guys for watching. Mwah. Bye.